Okay guys, the first things we need to get started are a rat tail comb, some eco style gel, I'm using black castor and flaxseed oil, a brush for your edges, a wide tooth comb, and 2 strong hair ties. So first get your rat tail comb and split your hair down the middle as a guideline for the zigzag part. Now for the zigzag part, make a slanted line connecting to the middle part. Here's a closer look. Now continue that part across the midline. It should look like this. Now part from the slanted part to the other side. Should look like this now. After that, just start making more zigzag parts based on how you feel the comb on your head. I can't see the top and the back of my head, so I just tried my best because the front is what matters. This is as neat as I got it so far. The back just looks like failed attempts. Now get your gel and gel your edges and the part. Brush the gelled areas. After you're done brushing, grab the section tightly and tie that section with the hair tie. I tied the hair tie around 3 times. After you tie it around, pull the puff to make sure it's secure and do the other side before you fluff it out. I tied this one around 3 times as well. Don't forget to stretch out the puff. Now get some water and spray your hair so that it shrinks appropriately. Get your comb and stretch out your hair into a ball shape, but don't comb through the ends. This makes the puff look more full. Here's what it looks like after shaping them. I especially like how this style looks with my hair still purple. You guys can check out the video in which I colored my hair purple right here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!